Hey, thanks for joining me tonight on Traders Tips. What I want to do tonight is March 18th. It's about 8:40 p.m., so it's after the market's closed. I wanted to discuss with you one of my favorite patterns to trade, which is a breakout off of a cup and handle. What I want to do is kind of review what that means and then show you a couple of stocks I'm looking at and also show you one that I recently traded and where it's gone from there. So first off, what happens is in a cup and handle is you'll have a stock that's trading and you'll have a sell-off in the stock. And then at some point the stock starts to form a nice base for an extended period of time and then rallies back to the old high or the most recent high. And that forms your cup. Now, right at this point, in the formation, the stock will form what's called a handle, and that's basically a consolidation phase. And then what we look to do is wait for a breakout off of that handle, which would be something like this. So now we've got the cup, we've got the handle, and then the breakout here. So what we would want to do is right in here, we want to trade the stock right off of that breakout. So let me show you an example of what I'm looking at today. There's a company here, you can see Afria, and let me just draw a couple of lines for you to kind of show you what I'm talking about. So here you get a sell-off in the stock, and let me change this. And so this stock, Afria, sold off, and then you had a period of consolidation here. Let's form that. And then you had a rally back. So if we draw a line across the top here, basically you're showing the formation of a cup. And then over here you can see a nice long extended handle that's formed. And then today's high on the stock, or the close on the stock, was just above that handle. And what's even more important is not only did we see a little bit of a breakout here, but we saw it on good volume. You can see the volume here is much higher than it's recently been. That's a good sign. So tomorrow, if we show some continued strength in the stock, so if it opens up higher and we have some good volume, this is very possibly a stock that we'll go in and trade. Let me show you another one also been taking a look at, STNE. So same thing. You've got a sell-off in the stock and followed by a consolidation period, and then a rally back. This one rallied back right to the previous highs, and that forms a real nice cup here. And then you can see this one here, you've got the handle, and then today the stock actually broke out and closed above that handle, so that would be a breakout. And again, we always take a look at volume. We want breakout confirmed by volume. We've got nice volume the past 2 days here. You can see how much better the volume is compared to this whole line of volume bars. So there's another one. This one, depending on what it opens up at tomorrow, is very possibly something we'll be in looking at trade. Let me show you one that we recently traded. Last week we went in, and this is Aurora Cannabis. And on Aurora, basically you had that sell-off. You had it form a base. And let me move this here. It rallied back to form your cup. And then you had this handle formation. And then you can see very clearly the breakout here. So you've got the breakout right in here, and it was confirmed again with a lot of volume. You can see the tremendous amount of volume the past several days. And what's nice is you can see the stock is continuing to rally at this point. So hopefully it continues, considering we're in the stock right now, and until we see something that changes our mind, we'll hope to have a nice little trade. So again, we're talking about the pattern being the breakout off the cup and handle. You can go ahead and check out some of my other favorite patterns if you just go to www.hotstockwatch.net. Just put your email in there, download a free ebook. It'll give you some basically it'll show you how I trade. It shows you what patterns I look for. It shows you what other items I look for. Shows you how I position size. Kind of gives you a blueprint for the way I approach trading. Again, www.hotstockwatch.net. Go check it out and have a great night. Thank you.